Because Hana farm in Aceh, the people na farm na rice. Whatever they make rice, how many tons? 6 ton. Yan 10%. Dia kata 6 ton kan? Berarti 10% how much? 600 kilogram. Zakat. Al-Babul Khamisu Asyara fil Fadilatil Zakat. This chapter, they talk about zakat. That means charity or donation. Ini nak pegang tentang charity donation. Bermula bab yang kelima, the chapter number 5 talk about charity or zakat. Al-Hadith, whatever is said Al-Hadith, that means from Prophet. Prophet Muhammad said, bermula zakat itu mendahirkan agama Islam. Kristen, Jew, Buddhist, hana zakat. Only zakat for Muslim people. Why? The Muslim people didn't want you see your people is poor. Yang jadi tajuk zakatnya supaya peoplenya nak food. Makanya every year, not every year, if we make money, yang you charity issue. Yeah. Not you have to wait until 1 year, Hana. For income, yeah, every year. For zakat fitrah, every year. At the end of Ramadan, yang kami zakat fitrah. Menyojakan mal, that mean harta, whatever income, yang every year. Oh, you're not living here. You're living in Aceh or in Indonesia. You have farm, and then you have like 10 ton every year, 10 ton every rice. Yang be 10% for people. 10% because of rice. When your income 2.5. Okay, Tuko, what is different rice and income? Huh? Rice because you have the farm. Your farm nya 10%. When your income, you have a store like that, contoh. You have grocery store in BC. You have one grocery store or two grocery store. Nah, yang every year, yang you have to pay for Muslim, for poor people, 2.5%. You contohnya. Nah, jadi charity yang only for Muslim people. Cukup Christian people, yeah, but they are not no wajib. That means no must to be. Oh, dia no give, oh yes, or no give, for Muslim wajib. You must do. Page nombor 50. 4. Right. Next hadis, rule number 2. Mana ni? Mana? Oh, fardana. Rule number 2. Next hadis. Tiada menerima oleh Allah Ta'ala akan iman, faith, melainkan dengan memberi zakat. Menyertanya the rich people, and then hana tajuk ke charity. Whatever you make salah, you make doa, Allah hana acceptable. Because the zakat is the key. Zakat the key for every new ibadat. Anak accept doa yang ada di sini. Whatever you do, Allah will accept your doa. Ia akan menerima oleh Allah Ta'ala akan iman, melainkan dengan memberi zakat. Faith, F-A-I-T-H, ya, iman kan? Ya Allah, menanya anak-anak kami itu, because we are very cheap, because zakat for God, for Allah. That means for poor people. Okay. Next hadis, tiada binasa harta, darat, dan laut, melainkan dengan sebab menegakkan zakat. Why we see everywhere now is fire, war everywhere, kill people everywhere. Because of why? Because that country didn't pay for zakat. Everywhere destroyed. Now the problem is Ukraine and Russia. Because they are not paid. What about tsunami? Maybe. Whatever, you know, look for poor people, Allah give for us, destroy everywhere. Laut dan uang. Kita laut. Kita laut maksudnya? Ocean? Ya. Oh. Ocean. Jadi laut, budi bala, destroy everywhere, darat, earth. Ya. Melainkan dengan sebab menegakkan zakat. Anata isu zakat. Anata kita tu perlu kita charity. Allah anak. Next hadis, berguna olehmu akan segala harta kamu dengan memberi sedekah. Berguna olehmu akan segala harta, makes the best your income every year, and then you pay for charity. Buy a cup of coffee for a friend, and put it. No. If give, different, akan sedekah. Similar je. Donation, charity, hana charity yo. Sedekah, that means give. In give, when you give for, okay, you are Muslim, your friend, let's say your friend is Jew, or your friend is Buddhist, your friend is Christian. What do you give for him? Yang title. Sedekah only for Muslim people. Yang you can give. If you give you to non-Muslim people, tentu you have the reward. You have reward, but not much. When you tas sedekah for Muslim, let's say, I buy for you guys all coffee or something. Yang tunggu make you act sedekah. Yang big reward. Again, Aris buy coffee for Khalid. Yan ni big gift, big reward for you. Yan not a gift. Let's say in English is gift, but in Muslim yan sedekah. Menyu sedekah na reward, menyu gift not too much. Lagi, you go to mall, you got one hoodie or jacket. Dia pakai ke rumah, dia dah pakai anak-anak let dia. Okay, lanjut you ke adik, kadang-kadang lanjut ke abang. Yang sedekah. Bom, Khuzam. Kan? Yang punya very big reward. Your donation for the people who are learning of Islamic school. If you give one, Allah reward to you 1,000. Yang the great. If you give for poor people, you give one, Allah reward 10. You give to best friend one, agak reward to you 100. Menyatajuk the charity to the people who are learning Quran or learning kitab like that, yang Allah give to you. One you give, 1,000 reward.